Hello everyone, welcome to our friendly point of view of innovative technologies. Today I want to introduce a highly innovative new product. It's a panel stop primarily designed for monoflange profiles, although it's suitable for all types of systems. The purpose of this new component is to lock and fasten panels without using screw bushings, preventing screw tips from protruding inside the unit. What I have in my hand is an example of a panel already secured with these new panel stops. As you can see, there are no visible screw tips inside. This system is very smart because it permanently solves the issue of screw tips inside machines. This means the machine's interior will be cleaner and safer. As you see, the screw is there, but it's directly fastened inside of the profile, making it hidden and not visible. By tightening the screw, I push the panel stop against the panel itself, which then compresses against the gasket. There is another very interesting feature. This panel stop includes a small fin that acts as a spacer. This helps center the panel, so when I place the panel, I won't need additional spacers for alignment. Once 8 or more panel stops are positioned, the panel will automatically be centered, making assembly much faster. Now we will look at the installation process. First, position the panel stops. Then, screw them in place. And finally, put on the caps. Additionally, this panel stop is available in an adjustable version, DN43ADJ, which includes a set screw in the head. With this set screw, you can freely adjust the panel's pressure on the gasket, either during installation or later during maintenance. The panel stop comes in different colors. From today, your panel will be easier to use and more cost-effective, since it won't need to be drilled, bushings will no longer be required, and installation time will be faster. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I wish you a great day and see you next time. Bye-bye. Prolam, the system for your great ideas.